viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing all the Flip-O-Ramas in Dogman, Grime, and Punishment. I already did the entire book, but since I did it digitally, I couldn't really do the Flip-O-Ramas easily, so my dad ordered the book, then it came a few days ago, but the video came too late, so without further ado, let's begin. Oh yeah, I'd like to point out that if you're wondering what these stuff are for, they're just bookmarks that I made out of paper by using a scissor. Like, they're basically bookmarks to the chapter, so I don't have to go flip, 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 maybe miss one or something, so I could just go right here. So the first Flip-O-Rama starts at when the first Flip-O-Rama takes place when the mayor is honoring Chief for being the best chief in town, and then they're gonna honor Dogman for being the best cop in town, or dog-headed cop. I kind of forgot, even though I have the book right here. So let's do this. It's gonna be a bit hard since. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's do it. You can see that Dogman's jumping from Chief to the mayor's face. Then Dogman steps on the Chief and mayor's face, and then Dogman licks Chief and the mayor's face. Really weird. Okay, let's go to the next one. So this Flip-O-Rama takes place when Petey's grandpa, Petey's dad, gives Big Jim his new invention. And then he turns into Snug. So, let's begin. Snug pet kitty. Snug kiss kitty. Snug cuddle kitty. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one takes place when Lil Petey accidentally accidentally drops his ice. I forgot if this is a he or she for some reason. When Lil Petey accidentally spilled the ice cream on Petey. So now he has to get inside of the lake and rinse off, even though cats hate water. Come here. Get out. What? So then, let's do it. So first, Petey splashes the water on him, then gets out of the pond or lake, and then dries off. Okay, let's go to the next one. This next one takes place when Petey's grandpa takes the helmet when Big Jim takes off the helmet and then gives it to what he calls Kitty. Then he puts it on and then he gets out of the place. Then this happens. Okay, then okay, let's do it. Oh yeah, you can see that it says, I'm a bad cat, because this chapter is called Catman, like Dogman. So yeah. And then this is my funniest part. This is the funniest part I like in this chapter. But then, wham! His mask comes off and he's like, hey, you're Dogman. Hey, that's Dogman. I'm gonna help him. I'm gonna destroy him. I like how he says, I'm gonna destroy him, right after Sarah Haddock says, I'm gonna help him for some reason. Well, not for some reason. I like it for some reason when they say that. Yeah, that's what I meant. Okay, let's go to the last one here. The last chapter takes place when Crud. Okay, so Crud gets an idea and wants to spray this giant lunch bag with living spray, which has been from the beginning of the series to the end of the series for some reason. So, let's begin. Crud, read label carefully. Crud, shake can vigorously. And crud, spray bag thoroughly. And then he comes to life. So that was it. So that was all the chapters. As you can see, all the 5 bookmarks that I made out of paper are still here. And there's none left. Because, like, I can make sure because, look. So as you can see, you can pause the video and then you can look at these. I think I did that in the live stream I did for the entire book. I think I did that, but just in case I didn't, here. Pause the video. If you're on a phone, screenshot it. Okay, for this one as well. Oh yeah, I noticed this yesterday, but I don't know how I did not notice this. Melvin the Frog is actually So if you watched Captain Underpants, Melvin is really smart, but also a nerd. I don't know why I said that. So now they put him in this book, Melvin the Frog, who is extremely smart in this book, and he answers every single question, even though Flippy, who is basically all the tadpoles' dad. So yeah. Okay, then here's Sarah. Take a picture or screenshot it. Okay. Then this is how you make Munchie. You can pause the, well, I'll tell you all the stuff here. Okay, step 1, get supplies, which is a lunch bag, pencil, tape, construction paper, and scissors. Crayons, markers, or colored pencils. Step 2, draw out and cut out the arms, legs, eyes, and tongue. Free printable, colorable, temptable, available at scholastic.com/CatKidComicBookClub. Step 3, assemble as shown using tape or glue or paste. Step 4, take away his evil powers by filling him up with all the people and things you love. Use pencils, crayons, paint, or whatever. Write, draw, be creative. So yeah, that was the end of this entire, well, Flip-O-Rama and plus some other stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!